Hello everyone, I am Chelama Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Previous class we have completed level 1 up to 16 problems. Now today I am going to discuss 17th problem onwards. Read the question, observe that what they are given option. Now product of two matrices is equal to one matrix given. Then find the A, B values. A, B values. So here how to do the product of two matrices? Already you know very well. So the matrices are 1 minus tan theta, 1 into 1 tan theta minus tan theta 1. That is equal to A minus B minus B A. Now do that product of two matrices. First row, first column, multiply this 1 into 1, 1 minus tan theta into minus tan theta plus tan square theta. This is first row, first column. First row, second column, 1 into tan theta minus tan theta into 1 minus tan theta. So we have completed first row. Now go to the second row, first column, tan theta into 1 tan theta plus 1 into minus tan theta minus tan theta. First row, second column. So we get tan square theta plus 1. That is equal to A minus B minus B A. Now comparing the corresponding elements. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what? A. Here also same like that. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to A only. So here write that A is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. What is 1 plus tan square theta formula? Secant square theta. So A value secant square theta. Then compare that B. That means another element. Here observe that tan theta minus tan theta is equal to 0. That is equal to minus B. Finally, what is B value? 0. A value secant square theta, B value 0. Which option correct, students? Second option. This is a different model. A fruit shop has 5 dozen oranges, 3 dozen mangoes, 6 dozen bananas. So here first we need to write number of fruits. Number of fruits. Here these are I am writing in matrix form, but how many fruits are there? 5 dozen oranges. Dozen means what? 1 dozen is equal to 12. Yes or no? So 5 into 12. 3 dozen mangoes. 3 into 12. Next, 6 dozen banana. 6 into 12. So these are all I am writing in matrix form. See the calculation. 60, 36, 72. So this is 1 by 3 order of the matrix. Next, selling price given. Cost price. Selling price, sorry. So total selling price. Or otherwise you can write selling price. Selling price. So here take the one name, that is matrix B. This is matrix A. So here I am writing column matrix. So what is the selling price here? 60 rupees. 40 rupees, 30 rupees. This is B matrix. What is the matrix order? 3 by 1. Here, what we need to find after selling the all fruits, what is the value of fruits in the shop? Value means total cost we need. Total cost means it is single element. That's why A matrix I am taken 1 by 3 order. B matrix I am taken 3 by 1. After multiplication AB, what we are getting order? So 3, 3, these are equal. We get 1 by 1 matrix. So we get single value. That means total value. Okay. So why I am taken 1 by 3, 3 by 1, are you understood? We need a total cost. Total cost. That's why total value. Total value of fruits. Fruits. AB, that is equal to, multiply both the matrices. A matrix 60, 36, 72. And B matrix. What is B? 60, 40, 30. Multiply these two matrices. Next, tell me what we get. 60 into 60, 3600, plus 36 into 40, 4 6 are 24, 4 3s are 12, plus 2, 144, plus 30 into 72, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 2160. Okay, so total calculate this. How much value we get? 0 0 0. Yes, 0. 6 plus 4 10, 16. Here we get 16 and 1. Next, 1 4 5, 5 3 8 9. Next, 2 plus 1 3. So we are getting 3900 and sorry. Here 60 into 60, 3600. One more zero I want to write. Now tell me total value, students. Total value how much? I think 7200. This is total value of the fruits. Okay. 20th one. How to do that 20th question? If A is equal to x, then A power n is equal to dash, where n belongs to capital N. Go to the verification method. So in place of n, take 1. What we get? A power 1. That is A matrix. A matrix means what? X, 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 x. If n is equal to 2, what we get? A square. A square. Now, A square means what? A into A or not? X, x, x into x, 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 x. Multiply these two matrices. Then what happens? See, first row, first column, x into x, x square, plus x into x, x square. So we are getting 2x square, 2x square, 2x square, 2x square. This is A square. Verify the options if n is equal to 2. If n is equal to 2, I am going to verify the first option. In first option, what is the answer? See, 2 power 1. So 2 power 2 now, n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. Substitute here in these 4 matrices. Then what happened? 2 square means 4. 4x square. 4x square. 4x square. 4x square. But see the a square value. How much we got a square value? This. These two are not equal now. So first option is wrong. Verify the second option. In place of n, substitute 2. So here you get 2x square, 2x square, 2x square, 2x square. Yes, it is correct. Don't mark the answer. Verify the remaining also. Third option. If n is equal to 2, 2 power 2 minus 2. Here substitute. N is equal to 2. Then what happened? You will get only x square, x square, x square, x square. So this is also wrong. Now go to the fourth option. Fourth option. In place of n, substitute 2 here. What we are getting, see? 2 power 2 minus 1, that is 2. We get 2x, 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 2x. So this is also wrong. Which option is coincide? Only second option. So this is verification method. Verification method. N value to substitute in the options. Which option getting a square value? That is the correct method only. See the 21 question. What is the given condition here? A square is equal to 2a minus I. We need to find a power n. But here what is it? N greater than or equal to 2. N greater than or equal to 2. So what is the minimum we want to take n value? That is 2. So more than 2. 2, 3, 4, 5 we can take like that. If you are taken n is equal to 2, then tell me, if n is equal to 2, what we get? A square. A square value already given. How much? 2a minus I. If n is equal to 3, then what happens, students? We get a cube. A cube means how to write? A into a square. A into a square. A into, what is a square value? That is 2a minus I. So now multiply these two. 2a square minus a into identity matrix. That should be a only. Again here a square is there. 2 into a square value. 2a minus I minus a. Overall calculate is 2 2s are 4. 4a minus a. 3a. 3a minus 2i. So when we are getting this, if you are taken n value 3, okay, now I am going to verify the options. If n is equal to 2, first option, verify that 2a minus I. N is equal to means, n is equal to means, what is the answer? 2a minus I or not? Yes, it's came. So this is correct answer. Don't mark the answer. Verify the second option, third option, fourth option also. Second option, see that if in place of n substitute 2. So this is also correct. Now third option, verify that 2 power 2 plus 1. That is 2 cube. 2 cube means 8. A minus I. Yes, this is we are eliminated because it is wrong answer. Next, verify the fourth option. If n is equal to means we get 8a minus 1. This is not I. This is actually matrix equation, but 1 means constant. This is 100% wrong. Okay. Next, take n is equal to 3. If n is equal to 3 means what is the answer, students? n is equal to 3 means this is the answer. 3a minus 2i. Now verify that only first and second option, not third and fourth, because third and fourth already wrong. So I'm going to verify the first option. Tell me what we get. 3a minus 2i. Yes, yes, it is satisfied. Okay. Now verify the second option. What we get? 3a minus I we are getting. But here we need 3a minus 2i. This is wrong answer. In both the cases, which option is satisfied? Only first option. If n is equal to 3 you are taken, again two options are coincide means go to n is equal to 4. Then you can eliminate one of the option. Okay. So finally, first option correct. This is also same method. A power 4n plus 1, where n belongs to capital N. Here the given matrix is A. They didn't denote. Okay. A matrix given, we need to find A power 4n plus 1, where n belongs to capital N. Capital N means what? Natural numbers only now. So I am going to take n is equal to 1. Substitute n is equal to 1. A power 4 into 1 plus 1. How much? A power 5. But what is A matrix? A matrix is equal to I 0 0 0 I 0 0 0 I. Take I common. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Here I am calculating. A is equal to small I into capital I. Okay. Then what is A square? A square, that is equal to small I into capital I whole square. I square. Capital I whole square. I only know. Small I whole square value. This is imaginary number. That value should be -1. Substitute here. So A square value we are getting -1. A square value we are getting -1. Okay. Now substitute here. A power 5 means I am writing A square into A square into A. What is A square value? This is A square value. -1. Substitute. -1. -1 into A. A means I into capital I. This is. Finally, how much we are getting? I into capital I. Capital I means what? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. That value should be I 0 0 0 I 0 0 0 I. This is the answer. If n is equal to 1 I am taken means I got this. See the options. Which option correct? Third option correct. Correct option. Fourth option. Trace of Ka is equal to K into trace of A. Trace of 4A is equal to 4 into trace of A. Trace of A value already given here, that is 6. 4 into 6, 24. 24. So fourth option correct. Okay, students. Next question, see here. A matrix given, B matrix given, then find trace of BA. How to find a trace of matrix? Trace of matrix means sum of principal diagonal elements. Yes or no? First, we need to find product of two maps, that is BA. Trace of AB, trace of BA, both are same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 0. This is B matrix. Sorry, I'm written mistake here. B matrix what? That is 1 0 0 0 3 0 0 4 5. This is B matrix. But A matrix 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 0. How to do the multiplication of two matrices? You know very well. First row, first column. So multiply 1 into 1, 1 plus 0 into 4, 0 plus 0 into 7, 0. First row, second column. 1 into 2, 2 plus 0 into 5, 0 plus 0 into 1, 0. Next, third column. So what we are getting answer, see, 1 into 3, 3 plus 0 plus 0. Okay. Next, I am going to second row. Second row, first column. Tell me what we get. 0 into 1, 0. 3 into 4, 12. 0 into 7, 0. Next, second row, second column. 0 into 2, 0. 3 5s are 15. 0 1s are 0. Next, third column. Second row, third column. 0 into 3, 0. 3 6 are 18 plus 0 into 0. Completed. Next, I am going to third row. Third row, this row. Third row, first column. Students, identify that 0 into 1, 0. 4 4s are 16. 5 7s are 35. 35. Next, first third row, second column. 0, 20 plus 5. Okay. Next, third row, third column. 0 plus 24. 24 plus 0. Now total calculate this. How much we get? Tell me students. 1, 12, 40, 51. This is 51. Second column 2, 15, 25. Third column, see that 3, 18, 24, 24. These are the BA matrices. BA matrices. Then what we need to find? Trace of BA. Trace of BA. What is the formula? Sum of principal diagonal elements. What are the principal diagonal elements? These are only. Add those values. 1, 15 plus 24. How much, students? 40. 40 is the answer. First option correct.